Installing an infiltration practice begins with the excavation of the land according to design dimensions. Then, filter fabric is lined across the sides of the trench. This fabric primarily serves to keep outside materials from getting lodged in the stone, which could cause clogging. Then, the layers of the system are installed, starting with the sand at the bottom. Before adding stone, the observation well gets anchored to the bottom. Then stone is added in 1-foot increments. Once the practice is full of stone, either gravel or sod and native grasses are used to top it off and help it blend in with the surroundings. Exact is your go-to partner for your stormwater management needs. Our team of licensed professionals can inspect, install, and maintain stormwater systems. With our innovation and expertise in stormwater management, let's work together to make a lasting impact.